So I do have a position with High Tide. Um, my position is no longer as big as it used to be, but I do have a position with High Tide. I didn't want to talk about it because um, it's a way smaller position than it used to be. But you know, High Tide. I'm looking at High Tide like I'm just like kind of like looking at High Tide again. I mean, as a business, it seems solid, right? It seems like a solid business. They have a unique model where they have elite members, and it's been growing. So it's kind of like a Costco hybrid model where they also sell product to regular customers, and then they have an elite product, elite for like the special customers, where the elite customers are probably bigger buyers too because they pay for a membership. So obviously they probably buy more products from High Tide or from Canna Branders. And they're also a profitable business, and they have decent revenue, and the revenue are consistently growing. So I have really no, like, I feel like it's a solid business, but it's not popular. That's the problem. It's not popular. It's not like a Tilray popular or Aurora popular or Canopy popular. It's kind of like just like a standard company that is safe, profitable, and growing. Just not popular with retail investors. But I feel like if MSO and Tilray and Aurora, if they keep going higher and higher and higher, they probably drag, like, retail is probably gonna look around and be like, I need to buy other stocks, like, cause I'm not buying something that keeps going up. So they might buy High Tide. High Tide does also have a small float too, so it's easier to pump. And if we look at the stock price, it was at $3.50, and now it's like kind of like at $2.35. So let's say if it like goes up to like back to like 250 again, that would 350. That would be like a 40% return on investment. Not bad. I mean, not great, but not bad. If it goes back again, I can't tell you if it will. I don't know if the market will pump it that high again. I mean, there's always a possibility if Aurora, Tilray, and Canopy and MSO just keeps rising and rising and rising, and then investors will sell off, take profits off of those companies, and then if High Tide doesn't move up, they might pump their money into High Tide, causing High Tide to rally. So who knows? Who knows at the end of the day? Just kind of wanted to make a video about it. So yeah, Tilray, might not do a reverse split after all. Might, there's a high probability. Aurora, Aurora's a solid business too, I think. But Tilray, I'm not really a big fan of Tilray. And, they do have like a high market cap of 1 billion, 1.38 billion. If High Tide had that kind of market cap, they'd be trading at $10 right now. $10. So, but, again, Tilray is popular with the retail crowd, and it's also a super penny stock, so it's easier for retail to put hundreds of millions of dollars into Tilray because, easier for return on investment. But if they did that with High Tide, it would rally big time, but who knows? Who knows what retail is going to do? Or institutions, or whoever pumps the market. So that's all I really have to say. Yeah. Anyways, that's all I really have to say in this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.